We all know Coca-Cola is the #1 soft drink in the world, but have you ever wondered what makes every sip of Coca-Cola so refreshing and smooth? Today, we're taking you into behind the scenes of the Coca-Cola factory, where the magic truly happens. The story of Coca-Cola starts in 1886 in Atlanta, Georgia, and you will be surprised to know Coca-Cola wasn't just developed as a soft drink. Actually, a Dr. John Stith Pemberton was looking for a remedy for headaches that was not only refreshing, but also effective. His first formula, called Pemberton's French Wine Coca, was a mix of botanical extract, including coca leaf and cola nut, mixed with wine. Pemberton's drink contains coca leaf that contains small amounts of cocaine, and cola nut contains caffeine. This was common in tonics of the time. However, when Atlanta passed prohibition laws in 1886 banning alcohol, Pemberton replaced the wine with soda water, and this is how Coca-Cola was made. Coca-Cola's secret recipe is still a mystery, as it is secured under lock and key in a high-security vault in the World of Coca-Cola Museum in Atlanta. However, we know that Coca-Cola's main ingredients are carbonated water, high-fructose corn syrup, caramel coloring for the signature dark brown color, phosphoric acid, caffeine for a mild stimulant effect, and natural flavors. Coca-Cola's heart is syrup that is produced with a mix of secret ingredients such as caramel color, phosphoric acid, and sweeteners like high-fructose corn syrup or cane sugar. The high-fructose corn syrup used in the U.S. is sourced from the country's own corn farms, while sugar-based Coca-Cola products that are sold in Mexico and Europe use cane sugar as a sweetener, which changes the taste slightly depending on the region. The concentrate syrup is then filled into large containers that are sent to the nearby bottling plants. Coca-Cola follows strict quality control standards during the syrup production process to ensure the taste profile remains the same. Who can think water can be as important for Coca-Cola as it is for our lives? Coca-Cola bottling plants use advanced filtration systems to remove impurities from the water supply by passing them through the multi-stage filtration. The filtrations include sand filtration, carbon filtration, reverse osmosis, and UV sterilization. The water filtration starts with coarse filters to remove large particles. Then, it passes through carbon filters to remove any organic contaminants and chlorine, which might affect the taste of Coca-Cola. Next, the water undergoes microfiltration, which removes any remaining bacteria or microorganisms. To guarantee its purity, the water is also treated with UV light, which ensures no harmful pathogens remain that can cause diseases to its host. The filtration process ensures the water is not only safe for consumption, but also matches Coca-Cola's taste standards. The filtration process becomes essential as water quality varies significantly from region to region. Coca-Cola tries its best wherever in the world you enjoy its drink. The taste remains consistent. In fact, 85% of Coca-Cola is water, so maintaining consistency is the most important part. The modern Coca-Cola's production facilities are equipped with water reuse systems to reduce waste. The company reuses treated water in non-product processes like cleaning or cooling systems, helping to improve the sustainability and profitability of the company. After the water is purified, it's time to mix it with the syrup, and this is where flavor balance comes into play. The syrup and water are combined in a precise ratio in a large stainless steel mixing tank. However, the ratio can vary depending on the region, as the sweetness preferences are different from region to region. In the US, for example, the syrup-to-water ratio is designed to balance sweetness with a slight acidic bite from the phosphoric acid. In some regions, consumers prefer a less sweet beverage, and for that, Coca-Cola adjusts the ratio accordingly. That's why Coca-Cola tastes slightly different in places like Europe, Mexico, or India. However, Coca-Cola tests every batch for consistency to ensure the flavor matches Coca-Cola's global standard. The mixture is then cooled to just above freezing to prepare it for carbonation, as colder liquids hold carbon dioxide better. Now, the most interesting part? That's the soul of Coca-Cola. This is where the satisfying fizz is created. In a high-tech carbonation chamber, carbon dioxide gas, CO2, is injected into the chilled Coca-Cola mixture under pressure. The colder the temperature, the more carbon dioxide can dissolve in the liquid. That's why Coca-Cola is always carbonated at low temperatures.